Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, I apologize for the delay in making this video. The reason was that I was busy with learning. So let's get started. I showed you how to design this fish stack in the previous video. Today I am going to show you how to code these sprites one by one. So you can pause the video and code. Here I have made a digital clock. This is a variable. The variable has been coded to be equal to the time of your computer. Well, if you have any questions, please comment. Have a nice day everyone.